Anime, it's colorful, dramatic, intense, and emotional. But it's much more than just Japanese cartoons. Today on Quickapedia, we're diving into the vibrant world of anime and otaku culture. What is anime? Who are otaku? Why is this art form so globally beloved? Let's break it down. What is anime? Anime is a style of animation that originated in Japan. Unlike Western cartoons, anime covers a wide range of genres and themes, everything from sci-fi and romance to horror and slice of life. It's known for its striking art, emotional storytelling, and often deep philosophical or psychological themes. Popular anime series like Attack on Titan, Demon Slayer, Jujutsu Kaisen, One Piece, and My Hero Academia have become international hits, with millions of viewers and huge fan bases. The global rise of anime. So how did anime become so global? Streaming platforms like Netflix, Crunchyroll, and YouTube helped bring anime to audiences worldwide. The pandemic also gave people time to explore new shows, and many discovered anime for the first time. In the coming years, anime will be more mainstream than ever. Major studios are investing in anime adaptations, while global brands like Adidas and Uniqlo are collaborating with anime franchises for fashion collections. Who are otaku? Now let's talk about the fans, otaku. Originally a Japanese word used negatively to describe obsessive fans, otaku has evolved into a badge of honor for hardcore anime lovers. Otaku culture includes extreme fandom, collecting figurines and merchandise, creating fan art and fan fiction, participating in cosplay, dressing up as their favorite characters, and attending anime conventions like Comicon in Tokyo or Anime Expo in LA. It's a lifestyle built around passion and community. The pros and cons of anime prose, creative inspiration. Anime often inspires people to draw, write, or make their own stories. Global connection. Fans from all over the world come together online and at events. Escapism and emotional support. Many anime shows deal with loneliness, friendship, or overcoming struggle. Cons. Overconsumption. Some otaku may spend too much time or money on fandom. Social isolation. In extreme cases, fans can become disconnected from real-life relationships. Stereotypes. In Japan, especially, being labeled otaku still sometimes carries stigma. Future trends in anime. What's next for anime and otaku culture? AI and animation. Studios are experimenting with AI to speed up production. Global anime. More studios outside Japan are making anime-inspired shows. Crossovers. We'll likely see more anime video games, movies, and virtual reality experiences. Mental health and identity. Future anime may dive deeper into psychology, gender, and identity issues, reflecting a changing world. Anime is no longer a niche. It's one of the most influential entertainment forms on the planet. So whether you're a casual watcher or a full-blown otaku, anime has something for everyone. Got a favorite anime, or are you new to the scene? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time on Quickapedia, your quick dose of deep knowledge.